Hey guys, this is Travis with Savy and Sons. We're here in Torrington, Connecticut, working with Innovative Lawn and Landscape. We're doing some underground infrastructure restoration. This complex we're at has a 30-inch steel corrugated storm drain line that was severely deteriorated, causing underground topsoil to flow into the pipe and cause sinkholes up top. So we went in the pipe, cleaned out all the debris, and we're installing right now a Permaliner Industries 30-inch mainline cured in place pipe liner. We saved this complex a significant amount of money and weeks worth of messy excavation and paving and noise, things of that nature. So that's what we specialize in. Very thankful to be working with James and his great company, Innovative Lawn and Landscape.